Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome browser on a Windows 10 device. Now, when you install Google Chrome, the only browser that you have available is Microsoft Edge. Now, if you prefer to use Google Chrome, you'll need to install it. It's a quick install, so we'll open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then what we'll need to do is we'll search for Google Chrome download. Okay, and then we want to go to google.com, so we'll click on this link and we'll just verify that we are on www.google.com, and we see this secure lock, so we know we're on the right site. We can click on this download Chrome link. This is for Windows 11 and 10. The download should begin, and it's already done here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close this browser. I'm going to open File Explorer here. By default, the download should be placed in your downloads folder. So this is the file we just downloaded, Chrome setup. To install it, just double click on this file. Select yes to allow the app. Okay, so the installation is done. We have the icon on the desktop. Now, if you wanted to pin this to your taskbar, you can right click here, pin to taskbar. I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now, you can also make it your default browser. So I'm going to open it, and it's going to pop up with this message asking you to set it as the default. So if I click on this, it's going to open your settings, and then you just have to make it the default in your settings. So right now the default web browser is this one. I can click on it and select this one, then switch anyway, and now it's the default browser. Now if I close out everything and reopen it, I shouldn't get that pop-up message anymore. And there you are. So that's how you can install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.